Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome to our most epic new series.
How we doing, gents? Thanks for joining us.
So obviously by the title of the video, today we're going to be explaining the stock market and how you can make some seriously epic wonga from it.
Fuck yeah, baby. The truth is the stock market uses a load of big long words to scare you away, like liquidation, fucking stock and shares and shit. Words like that confuse me.
Liquidation is the only long word you know relating to the stock market, isn't it?
Yeah, but hey, fuck off, my point still stands. The big words are bullshit and are there to scare you away is my point.
Yes, true, a good point there, Joe. Many people don't even begin to attempt to get into stocks as it feels way too foreign and bullshit for them with the fancy-ass long words and a lack of general education on the topic.
Yeah, just fucking ignore the complicated bits. You'll be fine, trust me. Shall we get into it then, Donnie?
We shall. So first of all, it's important to understand what's meant by the term stock or share. They essentially mean the same thing when talking about your investments. Imagine you were to split the ownership of a company into millions and squillions of equal-sized bits.
Of course, the majority of these little bits would be owned by the people in charge of the company. The founders and chief executives are usually large shareholders of their company.
Not all of these little bits are owned, however. Companies will list their stock on stock markets, such as the New York Stock Exchange. These spare bits can then be bought by the greedy little bastards like you and me on apps such as Trading 212, Hargreaves Lansdowne, and many other stock brokerage apps.
So what's the big deal then, Don? Why would we want to spend money to own bits of companies miles and miles away?
I'll tell you the big deal, my sleepy old pal. The value of these stocks change, often significantly. When the value of a stock you own rises, you're then able to sell it for a higher price than you purchased it. This is all done inside your stock app on your phone with a few clicks. It is that simple.
Easy, right? So let's give an example. Say Donald's mom runs her own cam girl business that she decides to list on a public stock market.
I fucking hate your examples, Joe.
This stock, for example, could be worth $10 a share on Monday. I buy $100 worth through my trading app, so I then own 10 shares as 10 lots of $10 equals my $100 invested. So then later that week, I check the value of the shares and they're now worth $17 each. My total investment would then be worth $170 from the original 100, so I sell and I'm now $70 richer.
Whoa, ho, doesn't that sound tasty? You can't just predict these things though, can you?
That's the thing, Don, you kind of can. You see, your mom tweeted on Monday that she was having a busy week with Mandingo and plenty of other big names. I had a good feeling that these streams would be popular. And they were. This caused the company's stock price to explode, taking my investment with it.
Wow. Well, what do you know? It seems this stock and share malarkey really isn't as hard as it sounds, right?
Right. Obviously, it doesn't always go that swimmingly. That same stock could have had a horrendous week had the Mandingo vids fallen through. So it's always important to research your stock until you are confident in its ability to rise.
Nice one, Joe. Great little disclaimer there. To our lovely viewers out there, I hope this brief intro to the stock market has helped your understanding. If it does and you'd like us to explain a bit more about the stock market, drop us a like and comment so we know this wasn't a big fat fucking waste of our times.